Fancy dress speech on Rani Velu Nachiyar. Vanakkam. Can you guess who am I? I am the queen who refused to bow before the British. I am the warrior who fought for my people. I am Rani Velu Nachiyar, the brave queen of Shivagangai. As a young girl, I learned horse riding, sword fighting, and archery. These skills helped me become a strong leader. When my husband was killed and my kingdom was taken away, many thought I would surrender. But a true queen never gives up. I spent years preparing my army and planning my return. With courage, determination, and the support of my loyal companions, I fought against the British and won back my kingdom. I did not fight for power. I fought for justice, freedom, and the dignity of my people. Today, I stand before you with a message. Be brave in difficult times. Be strong when others doubts you, and always stand up for what is right. Remember, courage is not the absence of fear. It is the decision to move forward despite fear. I am Rani Velu Nachiyar, a daughter of India, a fearless queen, and a symbol of courage. Jai Hind. Thank you.